it's Sheena here, and today we're going to be talking about the 7 laws of attraction. These are the 7 things that you will need in order to use the law of attraction in the best way. Okay, the first thing that you will need is an unwavering desire. You will need the unwavering desire to have this specific thing and what you want. You're really going to have to feel it, and you're really going to have to believe it. Number 2 is conceptualization and imagination, because if you conceive it in your mind, you'll be able to see it in your reality. Third is affirmation, which is repeating to yourself the belief that you will have this one specific thing. You have to believe you'll have it and use affirmations. Number 4 is focus and confidence. If you focus on this one specific thing, you have no choice but to move forward to it, and the confidence that you will achieve it and the belief that it will happen will help it to happen in reality. Okay, number 5 is the profound belief that this specific thing is already yours. You already have it, it already belongs to you. Number 6 is gratitude, being grateful for what you currently have and grateful for what's coming to you. And number 7 is the manifestation, which means the true belief and drumming it up in your mind, your system, and accepting that the universe will give this to you and manifesting it to you. Okay, just remember that like attracts like. So the energy that you put out is the energy that you will get back. Make sure you ask the universe straightforward what you want, and also work hard, trust, and believe it will happen, and you will get what you were supposed to have. Now that you know the 7 laws of attraction and know how to use them, this will help you put this in play. I want to present you with an offer you can't refuse, and that's the life of your dreams. All you need is a Law of Attraction planner for 2021 to get the outline for the future that you want. Through manifestations, through planning, through outlines, you can get the life of your dreams. All you need is a planner. Do me a favor and follow me at Style by Sheena and visit SheenaAaron.com. Later.